Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fingerless gloves. And if you like, you can add a button for detail when finished. When your fingerless gloves are finished, you should be able to pass your thumb through any one of these openings. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver yarn and 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've chained 24 and slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch to join, chain 2, double crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now go ahead and make a double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So that will fit on my arm. If you need a larger size, increase in multiples of 6. Okay, so I've double crocheted all the way around. Now I'm going to chain 2. That takes the place of the first double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet stitches in the same stitch. And that's the equivalent of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, make a shell, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2, make a shell, double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so you're going to work all the way around, making a shell, skip 2, double crochet, skip 2, shell, skip 2, double crochet. So I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And I'm going to slip stitch until I get into the center of that shell. So slip stitch and slip stitch. Now I'm going to make a shell, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, 1 and 2. So I've made a shell in the center of my shell. And now I'm going to make a front post double crochet here. So yarn around the hook the same as usual for double crochet, but from the front around the post of the double crochet, I'm going to bring my yarn through and finish my double crochet, and that causes this to stand out in a post. Now go to the next shell and complete a shell of 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and a front post double crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, slip stitch to join in the top of the shell. That's how they will look. And you will continue to work your gloves as long as you would like them to be. When you're finished, you can just pass your thumb through any of these openings. And there you go. There's some easy fingerless gloves that you can crochet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.